Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace motor mounts. Worn motor mounts can cause excessive vibrations and noise, making your ride uncomfortable. By the end of this guide, you will know how to diagnose a failing mount, gather the right tools, and confidently perform the replacement yourself. This will restore your vehicle's smooth operation and extend its lifespan. Let's get started. Before we begin, safety is paramount. First, lift your vehicle using a floor jack and secure it with sturdy jack stands. Next, disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical issues. You will need to support the engine from underneath with a floor jack and a wood block to relieve pressure on the mounts. Gather your socket set, various wrenches, and always wear safety glasses and gloves. Now let's tackle the removal. You may need to remove air intake components or other brackets to access the mount. Disconnect any electrical connectors attached to the mount. Carefully unbolt the old motor mount, paying close attention to how it was oriented. Install the new mount, ensuring it aligns perfectly with the mounting points. Hand tighten all bolts first, then torque them to the manufacturer's specified values for a secure fit. With the new mount in place, it's time to reassemble everything. Reconnect any electrical plugs and reinstall all brackets and components you removed earlier. Double-check that every bolt and nut is securely tightened. Carefully lower your vehicle, then start the engine and listen for any unusual noises or vibrations. Finally, take your vehicle for a short test drive to confirm a smooth, quiet ride.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.